हेलो, हाउ आर यू गाइस? मैं ठीक है. First of all, my name is Dr. Siddharth Murekar. I work in civil hospital as a medical officer. I also work in COVID surveillance with ILI and SARI surveillance in civil hospital for further district. So this video is only just to tell my story, actually what happened and मी कसा आहे जाता. Sorry, I don't have any language barriers. I will translate well in all the languages. Karan feelings has no language and they have no barriers, you can say. 13th, okay. So 13th I had, fever all day long. Okay, I'm myself a doctor, so I had some medication started. That is, I had Dolo 650 whenever I had a fever spike. दुसरं म्हणजे I started all the medications. I isolated myself totally in my room. I didn't go to duty that day, and I had fever. Okay, so every 3 to 4 hours I had to take a Dolo 650, and I used to sweat profusely because all my clothes will gone wet and everything. And I just thought, like, what should I do, because I had fever whole day long. Every 3 to 4 hours I used to take Dolo, I used to get sweat, I used to sleep, and again I have to, after 2 hours or 3 hours, I'll again have the fever spike. This went throughout the day, and at 6, okay, the simple Poppypen chart where I put the 2 days, that is 13th. Then for every 2 hours or 1.5 hours I used to take my temperature, and I used to track, like, if I have any symptoms, what are the symptoms. If it is sweating, I used to write sweating. If temperature, I used to write 102.5, 102.7, 101, and everything. Any medications taken, so I had taken Dolo 650, and what is the time, exact time I used to write. So at 6:15 in the evening I started, that was the last dose I took of Dolo, 6:15 on the evening of 13th of August. Okay, so that was the third Dolo of my day off, and then I didn't have. So you can say I had fever for one long day, or more than one, like 24 plus, you can say 30 hours I had fever. That's it. I had little sore throat, you can say in layman language. Some घशात मला खवखव होत होती, बट मला गिळायला किंवा पाणी प्यायला किंवा काही त्रास नव्हता. सो it was some pools of water around my surrounding. So I just decided to go for that, and around 10 to 10:30 let me tell you, I didn't have fever. Okay, I had no complaints, and I was doubting my decision. So should I go for this, or should I bear and relax at home and take 2 day rest? I could have done that, but second thought, thinking this, I had a second thought. If it is, I might spread it to people, and that is the thing. I can't bear that part. If anyone has fever, please get it checked if possible. If you have any other reasons or like that, it's totally up to you, but it will be my advice. You should go for a good check. So 11:30, I think so, the ambulance came. I had packed my bags because I knew if they'll take my swab, they'll admit me for at least 1 to 2 days, that's for sure. And if it is positive, then I'll have a long runs, mask, face shield, hand gloves, full clothes. So I was very determined that I have to go through this. Anyhow, I have to go through this as strong also, because I was alone. First of all, I had my family back in Nagpur. I had many well-wishers actually in Wardha, so all these things happened well. I gave my swab and I was admitted in a private room there. Considering I am a working frontline worker in civil hospital, and due to some of the well-wishers, I got that room, and I can say I just relaxed that here all day long. No fever, nothing. On the whole day, I was doubting, like, whether should I have done all these things or not. But something 9:30, I just got the sweet news that yes, I tested positive, which was totally unexpected for me. Yeah, it was totally unexpected. I couldn't observe the thought. First of all, like, what, in Wardha, which is such a paradise, which is so safe, how can I get this? But I just realized it's a pandemic and it is very natural. I also got the same advice from many people that it is okay. So you can say that. So that day passed. I somehow slept that day, and in the night actually I got shifted to the positive ward in a room because I was in the first isolation ward. Now I was shifted to the positive compartment, and that started my journey, you can say. And it was difficult. Okay, so let me tell you this thing. Those who are telling that it's okay, yes, it is totally okay. पण ज्याच्यावर बीतते त्याला चांगल्याने माहीत असतं ते काय असतं त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी. It is, I can't say that is a very a thing to be afraid of a day. It is very normal to be afraid because that makes us humans. Don't you think so? म्हणजे त्या गोष्टीने आपली माणुसकी दिसते ना की आपल्याला भीती वाटते. आणि मला पण वाटली. 2 days I totally I was just binge watching something which I am not totally interested on to do that, and I was doing nothing. Frankly, I was just sleeping. I had having my medications. I was having 2-time lunch. That was okay. That was good actually. And symptomatic. Except that part. I was symptomatic for that one day. Sorry. So this is 2 days I think so. I got admitted on 14th. Today is, I can say, I must say just 19th of August. 14th, 15th. Yes, the Independence Day was my freedom here only. I am very, very emotional kind of person and very patriotic in these days. But I stood in my room and I had a 2-minute silence for everything that was happened. But I said, come on, this is Independence Day, I should get up. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th. 5 days. And today is, I think so, 19th. So 6 long days. Okay, this is the 6th day of me, and I am okay. Sorry. Yeah. So today I am absolutely okay. I had my CT test also done because there was some protocol, and I was started with one more antibiotic and an antiviral, that is FabiFlu. Because I had some little change in my CT chest. That is absolutely normal because yes, there will be some infection because you have an infection, you have a disease which is so rampant in today's world. I was on that, I had infection, so there may be something. Yeah, calls in between and many calls and many messages. I didn't read any of those actually messages, sorry, but I was not in mood. But I can say I got my guts to open a video and talk to you regarding what has been the 6 days of my COVID-19, Dr. Siddharth. So it was roller coaster. Just today only I started that antiviral drug, that is Favipiravir, or commonly you know as that is FabiFlu. Yesterday I was started on Augmentin 625 because of that little foci in my CT chest of infection. So far so good, it's okay. I am absolutely all right. And one thing I'll tell you, जेव्हापर्यंत होत नाही तोपर्यंत भीती असते, ठीक आहे. पण जेव्हा होऊन जातं ना, one thing, you are freed from all the shackles of that COVID and all these things, having since 6 months, 4 months, 5 months, something like that. एकदा झाल्यानंतर, I'm not saying that I lost my that precautions and everything. I did whatever I could, but that is okay. That is okay because it can happen to anyone. It can happen to, it doesn't differentiate on whether you are a medical field, you are non-medical field. Everyone is equally at risk. Saying practically, I can say one thing, that once I got the news of that I tested positive, I somehow I felt free. मला मोकळं वाटलं पहिल्यांदा, कारण I had nothing to get feared of now. what worst may happen now, okay? Touch wood, everything is alright for now, but that COVID, you have to, stay away from that. That is over for me, okay? Obviously, I have to take precautions, and I will take precautions. I will take precautions in my near future for sure. There is no doubt regarding that. But freedom from the known, you can say, I had that, and I'm kinda happy today because I could just tell you what my emotions were and how one feels being a COVID positive patient in today's world. Whenever there is someone, sister or any healthcare worker in my room, I put on my mask because I am COVID positive. That doesn't mean that I can't transmit, I can't get more infection. Definitely I can get some, secondary infections, and I don't want that. And me as a patient, if using mask and taking all the precautions, yes, I'm telling about you only, you as a citizen, you should be very precautious regarding everyday routine. Try not to leave your home unless it is extremely urgent. If it is your work, then try to be very precautious and try to take all the necessary precautions you can take. And if you contract COVID-19, it's absolutely okay. I am with you because I am one of those, you can say, I will be one of those who have been recovered totally from that. I don't know when my repeat swab will be taken, but it will be taken soon. But if you get, then it's absolutely okay. There is nothing to worry about. Just take utmost precautions, and if you get contacted with COVID-19 or patient, or you get positive report, just take all the necessary precautions again. But the precautions might change because you have to take you have to do some extra things. But कोविड है यार, उतना तो उसको भाव दिया जाए, चलेगा? चलो, thank you. If you have any doubt, yes, you feel free to contact me, and thank you so much. It was nice, actually. I can say that I felt extremely nice talking to you. Thank you.